accepting the stink I made about British America tobacco, we're very positive about these stocks. The one I think, though, that we were the most positive on was Richemont. And it's got all of the attributes. It's got the China focus at a time when China seems to be recovering, when the Chinese themselves want to emphasize consumer-led rather than infrastructure-led development. It's got great management in Johan Rupert, one of South Africa's most colorful businessmen. It's got all the sort of strength of its balance sheet and its euros and all the rest of it. The real question,
so we're getting the website up, aren't we, as well, just to show us where to go on follows.hotstocks.com here?
Exactly. So what will come up in a minute will be the site where you've got to go in order to register, in order to receive this video clip we're making busy now, and also the recommendation. But I think the key really is, as far as Richemont's concerned, how do we trade it? I mean, it's all very well to say it's the trade of the day, but what level are we going to get in? Are we going to wait for a pullback? Gary, I'm going to have to get some guidance from
Gary,
you.
give us all the details now. I want to know exactly how to trade the stock.
Yeah, I mean, we've seen incredibly strong push up in the last week. So I mean, I would probably wait for an entry point, probably even as much as 4-5% lower than it is now. So yeah, I'd be a little bit conservative. I mean, I'm not going to dive in immediately, but I think our market has in general been very, very strong. The rand now is strengthening a little bit, so I think you are going to get an opportunity. Yeah.
Well, look, you have to buy the stock today.
Exactly. Well, just to unpack that, for me, the fact is it has done well, but it's done well against the rising, sort of recovering backdrop of strong global markets. For me, there are two things. On the 15th of November, there is the leadership change in China. If that goes well, and everybody says, well, it's back to business, I think that could be a potential positive catalyst. The other thing is that the company itself is known to kind of bring out numbers and have strong festive season trading. So I must say, the way the show works, we do have to actually go onto the Global Trader platform and do the trade. So I don't know. I mean, maybe we get a bit of a pullback this afternoon, and maybe we got to say we're not going to hold Gary to it if we turn out that we bought it too high. But I'm afraid we do have to get stuck in today.
You're committed to that trade.